Hello guys, I don't know, I'm having a little bit issues here with my charting, with the way this is setting up here. I don't know why. This is very weird. This is not what I want. I wanted this to go. Damn software. It's supposed to give me a sec, people. I'm going to start the live stream. Again because this is ridiculous. I don't know why I did this stupid thing. Oh, you know, I know why. Ah, damn. Okay, 1 second, guys. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second, people. 1 second. I know exactly what the problem is. Damn it, man. I didn't know. I forgot to do one thing. Make this main. Okay, now just bear with me, people. Bear damn with me. Okay. All right, guys. Sorry, I'll be back in a sec. I gotta restart this fucking thing. I gotta restart this fucking thing, man. Give me a second here, people, as I get this stupid thing set up here. I want to make sure that it's running correctly. Boy, sometimes a stupid start. I should have started it. I know what happened. You know, what's the word? You forget. You forget a couple of steps, and it screws everything up. And the best way I found things, people, is to fix it. Okay, I got everything going. Guys, everybody hear me? Everybody hear me? You guys hear me? Yes, okay, good. All right. All right, people. So before we begin, you know, people, I want to explain to people how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. All right, people. So, you know, new people, listen up now. So basically, what you want to be doing are retweets and likes and making comments. Okay, so basically you want to be doing retweets and likes. You want to have a profile pic, right? And that could be of yourself, like this is me, or of stock charts, or of success, something within those lines, something positive and good. You know what I'm saying, people? Then once you do that, basically you also want to send me a message on Power Group Trades, and you also want to study my my YouTube channel right over here. So, you know, study my created playlist, then type in Power Group Trades, right? And basically when you do that, you're going to get a locked account. You got to hit a follow button. It's kind of like sending a request. I think that's how it works. And then I see that. Now, also send me a message telling me, you know, why you want to be a follower inside of Power Group Trades. I just don't want anybody here. You know, people, I tell you, I got about 40, 50 people waiting to get inside of Power Group Trades. And the problem is with those people is they're not doing the right thing. So now, people, I'm explaining what to do. So let's go back to Power Trick or Trade. Okay, so again, retweets and likes, retweets and likes. Very simple. Retweet, like. Do about 10, 15 of them to get yourself to fast track yourself in. Simply send me a message and make sure you have a profile pic. And that's about it. That's all it takes. It really takes 5-10 minutes. Now, however, I don't want you to become a member side of Power Group Trades unless you understand what I'm about and you really like my work. I got a lot of great group members. All right, now let's get back to the live stream. Give me a sec here, people. Let me get this out of the way. Let me get back to the live stream. And oh, hello everybody, hello everybody. All right, so anybody that missed it, you go back, you go towards the in the beginning of the live stream. It was a bit of a problem I was having. Then I think what happened was maybe there's two videos, there must be two of them. The new one is being rendered now, what I'm making right now. All right, so let's talk about the SPY. Now, what's great about this, people, is, like I said, the big picture, everybody was bearish, negative, and PowerTarget Trade has been talking about the SPY testing 277. But I said we're going to have some chop and we're going to have some issues, but we're going to trade the right key stocks, and a lot of great wins was made. Again, big picture thinking, right? You have a lot of stock clowns out there saying this, saying that, but PowerTarget Trade, I stuck to my guns like a big picture expert, looking at the charts, it was a lot of work. It was a lot of work. Honestly, a big headache in May, right? But what great gains! And I know my group knows about this. They know the work I put into this, and they're in with me, and we're studying, and we're working, we're grinding, but we're succeeding. Now, let's get back to what I said, basically, people, on the monthly charts of the SPY. Now, of course, everything is not, listen, we still got some things, but let's take a look here. So let's talk about this again. Again, stock clown, old world thinking, decimated and cremated by yours truly, PowerTarget Trade. Now, who's being correct? The big picture, only power. Look at this. Market's not even. Look at this interesting thing. Not even overbought. How bullish? Oh, poor stock clown. You're in big trouble. I can't wait to how many stock clowns I'm going to be roasting, Peter. I'm going to be roasting a lot of people because I got the documented proof. April the 14th. This is what I said, people. I said, while everyone was bearish, I said, listen, I showed them. I said, look at the stock clown massively wrong. I explained we had a big channel breakout, okay, channel wedge breakout, consolidation in 2016. Of course, many people, even with large sums of money, called the market incorrectly. Example, what's his name? Carl Icahn, totally decimated, cremated him. If he was betting against me of other billionaires again, we would put him in the broke house. That's the reality of my skills. Billionaire smasher. Never mind this little rinky dinky penny traders. They think they know how to make big bucks in the market. Can they really help people in options? No, they can't. Only PowerTarget Trade can. I have a YouTube channel that just decimates and cremates just about anything out there. People are blind. People are born to lose. Losers out there. Total losers. If you don't understand what I'm doing on my YouTube channel, you're blind to the wheel. The stock clown is blind to the wheel. The stock clown, I cremated and smashed him to pieces. All right, people, enough of my ranting. World record holder, cremated in 2016. Doesn't hold a flame to my big picture skills. Not a flame. And he doesn't even go into half of his... He goes into less than 10% of his own plans. I go into almost everything that I put out, and that's the difference of PowerTarget Trade. PowerTarget Trade. These so-called services don't do that. They're just full of crap. Believe me, people, you have no idea. But PowerTarget Trade are going to be fixing out a lot of people, and only the best people that are going to be in my group. Not just anybody, the best. I have a lot of great members of my group sending great gifts. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody. PowerTarget Trade only going to be growing, going to be doing amazing health things. PowerTarget Trade going to be doing the best things for the right people. A lot of people, losers in the world, just going to go down in flames. You don't listen to PowerTarget Trade, down in flames you're going to go. You don't succeed at PowerTarget Trade, down in flames you go. Ha ha! Stock clowns. Okay, now. So listen, people. Who's been correct, the big picture again? Yours truly, PowerTarget Trade. This is the facts. This is the facts. I'm going to show you people what to. I keep telling people to study my YouTube channel, to study my creative playlist. Winner after winner after winner. Huge gains in Google L. You know. Let's talk about Google L. I talked about. I got to put on the damn. Give me a second, people. I got to put on the daily charts. You know, look at this. We broke out over here. That broke out. PowerTarget Trade. Look at. Also, I'm going to be making a new plan for Google L. More to gains to come, but it has to listen to the game, people. It has to confirm. Capisce? Must confirm. Everything has to confirm. And when it does, high odds. Great gains in Google L. Great gains in Amazon, AMZN, right? I gave great advice about AMD, okay? I didn't go into this, but I gave the advice. I was been going so many other plans, you know. Look what AMD. Stock Clown said it was going to go down. I told everyone back for the AMD board, AMD lungs, I said above 12 on some volume or basing above 12, it's good. And we should not lose 11. Look it. They didn't lose. Look what happened. Breaks 12. Never lost 11. Didn't even go lower than 1271. Look at it. This is big picture skills. Stock Clown, you've been destroyed, John. You're finished. Your stream is dead. All you do. Everyone sees the truth now. I told you you cannot hold the flame. Nobody can hold the flame to me. They run for their lives. You are the stupid guy that tried to prove me wrong. I proved you wrong, and I got the videos of the Spy 225. You're finished. You're through, Stock Clown. And just wait till we go to 280 at 300 the Spy. I'm going to be decimating a ton of people out there. Don't you worry about it. It's my era. I'm going to be the new king out there. There's going to be headlines going to be in the future. But it's really for the smart people. You know what? I think a lot of dummies out there, just a lot of dum-dums out there. Trust me on this. There's a lot of people just jealous, just don't want, that can't see the truth if they want to. But I know the good people. I have some of the best group members in my thing. I have attracted the best people in my life doing what I'm doing, and I don't care. It's going to always be a low level. If I help 1,000 people, I'm happy with that. You know, it could be a lot better. I'm happy with that, 1,000, 2,000 people, because the majority of the people are going to fail in life miserably. With PowerTarget Trade, you're only going to see both in health and in wealth people. I guarantee you. I don't care about anybody else. People who want to follow me, I put in a lot of hard work in this, people. A lot of hard work for success. All right, now, any questions for the big picture expert? Let me put back the Spy. You know, again, I was correct. The big picture. Not Peter Brandt. No. He can't hold the flame to me. He can't hold the flame to me. You understand? He can't hold the flame to me. Everybody that listens to him, they listen to old world thinker. He can't put plans together. All he does is guesses, and just like the Stock Clown. And the Stock Clown's being wrong. BA, Apple, ANET, Amazon, NVIDIA, Netflix, you name it. What counts? He's wrong. He's a clown. I told everybody he's a clown, and I told you, John, you'll never, ever be able to come close to me. You stink. You rink. Everything you can look. Anybody can look. You want to lose money? You go follow the stock bookie. You're going to lose a lot of money, a lot of bad advice. You don't believe me? You go follow. You go study. I love it. Anybody's been following him, they've been like, they're crying. They're going to be like him. Oh, the Spy is too high. Stock Clown, you're finished. You're through. All right, now, guys, that's enough of that now. Hello, Dexter. Hello, Dinesh. Yeah, see Dinesh here, people? See Dinesh over here? $1,000 gift. You know why? He made great gains in Google L. How much money did you make in Google L, Dinesh? I think you were telling me. Can you let the people know? Let the people know, Dinesh. You think I don't know the people who send me money? There's Eric. Thank you, Eric. I think you sent me 3 gifts of $200. Am I correct, Eric? Could it be even more? Could be even more? You see, coming to the live stream, all those lazy people. You don't want to listen. Anybody new? You know what you do? Subscribe to the YouTube channel and go to the big picture. 1K. Yeah. You sent me 1K, but what did you make in the Google L plan? You sent me 1K. Yes, I know you sent me 1K. Yeah, you sent me $1,000. Dinesh in the house, people. Dinesh in the house. You sent me 1K. But how much did you make in Google L? 10K. Okay, that's right. It was 10K. You see? 10K. Well, how many contracts was it, Dinesh? Was it 3 or 4 contracts? I'm trying to figure out exactly because because the options went to 4.4K. So how many options did you have, and where did you hold it at? Yeah, Dinesh, people. Dinesh in the house. So how many contracts, Dinesh? Let everybody know. I was trying to figure out how many. 4 contracts. Okay. And what did you sell the 4 Did you do a 50% gains and then held 2 runners? What did you do, Dinesh? Look at that, guys. 10K on 4 contracts. Dinesh, a group member inside of Power Group Tradespeople. Yeah. Let's see Stock Clown do that. Huh, Stock Clown? You couldn't fold the flame, Stock Clown. You want to make $1 billion that Dinesh didn't send me a 1K? You want to bet me? I'll clean you out, Stock Clown. I'll clean you out. You think I'm for fake, huh? You think I'm for fake? I'm for real. I clean anybody out who wants to doubt me. I'll crucify. I'll destroy them, annihilate them. God's on my side, not on yours, Stock Clown. All right, now enough for me getting upset there. Fast and Furious is going to be sending me. I think you're going to be. You said you were sending me a gift as well. Yeah. Yeah, but I mean, did you sell? Oh, did you what was the value of the options of the Google L options that you sold it at, Dinesh? What was the value? Yeah, David sent me a gift as well. Another gift. See what I mean? I got all the quality people. What do I need? Most of these people on the Twitter are clowns. Clowns like the Stock Clown. They don't like to see winners like me. And I give the good advice, and I help the people by making the videos and showing them my plans. Nobody does it like me. Nobody can. They can't. And then I'm working with a group members, some people that invested to work with me to help improve things, people. That's right. Fast and Furious sending me a gift soon. I'll be posting the gift, of course, when I receive it, my friend. I post all the gifts, people. Thank you very much. Any questions? I think you were for AMD. Were you investor in AMD? Fast and Furious. Were you an investor in AMD? Because I think that's what I think you were. I think you went long in AMD based on what I said. Now I'll tell you, I did not go into AMD. But I did make a plan. I did say it had the potential. And you know what? I'm really happy. Yes, you did, right? I'm really happy that AMD did well. I've been focusing on so many other things. I said I don't know if it was going to go in. I didn't make any follow-up. But you know what? I was right. Stock Clown was wrong. Listen, Stock Clown, you're just a loser. Just give up. You're going to be retired. I'm going to finish. I'm going to decimate you like I promised you. I promise you. I'm going to decimate you with videos. I'm going to lay you out. Boom. You're going to have people. So many people against you. They're going to. Anybody would want to watch. A lot of people would want to pay for me to watch me box you out in the ring. I would decimate you. I decimate you physically and mentally. You have no chance against me at no level. At no level. Ha ha. Stock Clown. At no level. I have so many people happy from my advice. I give good advice. People make money from me, not from you, Stock Clown. You can say all the baloney you put on your thing. People hate you. I know this. I know this, Stock Clown. You're finished. You haven't done no live streams, hardly any videos. You stink. I'm rocking with videos. You could see my stream. My stream's rocking with powerful proof for the people who's smart enough to see it. Because most people are lazy clowns just like you. And I don't care about those people. Anyways, people, enough of me glowing. I have to get this off my chest because I'm so happy. I'm so blessed. You have no idea with all the gains. My group members happy. Stock Clown. And just wait till the spike. Oh, the decimation and cremation I'm going to be going. I have lots of documented proof on a lot of people out there. I am the leader, not them. Me. Most of these people out there with services couldn't touch me if they wanted to. Plan for plan, no comparison. No comparison. And any one of them that says they could go, I will decimate, I will prove them. They will be annihilated. I welcome the challenge. I annihilate. I annihilated the world record holder when it comes to what counts as the big picture on the market. He doesn't post much stuff like that anymore. I got the documented video proof. I got the documented February 11, 2016. Top 1% in the world did what I did. Top 1% thinking. Top 1%. Billionaires called it wrong. Billionaires. Comprende? You want to succeed in the market, you got to even be better than, because billionaires can afford to be massively wrong. You got to be better than billionaires if you want to be successful in the market with real success. We're not talking about little penny stock success guys who run after 5-10 minutes. And they train people, they see a red candle, I'm running. They have no skill. They're just little baby pop traders. Power Trigger Trade, I'm the big picture expert. Plain and simple. Yeah, again, see? Who does that? You think the penny stock traders could do what I did with the SPY? You think the stock clown could do with the SPY? The stock clown's been wrong since 225 stock clown. I have it documented and proven. I got the, oh, wait till the new videos I'll be making. Don't worry, I'm going to make you look like such a clown. You're finished, you're through. You're finished, you're through, stock clown. I got too much proof against you. I told you not to mess with me, stock clown. I told you you're going to be destroyed. And I destroyed you already. Hundreds of times with BA, with everything. You're finished, stock clown. You're finished. Everybody knows it. Everybody's seeing the shit, how you have no skill compared. Since 2000, even from 2017, 16, doesn't matter. You just can't compare to the big picture expert. You have no. You're the only clown that wanted to troll me. You're the only clown, stock clown, that other people, they ran for their life, not you. You were too dumb to run for your life, so I'm going to cremate you and decimate you like you deserve, because you're like a cancer out there. You destroy people out there. A lot of people, you have to block a lot of people because they go and they laugh at you after you told people to sell Race, sell Tesla, sell NAT, sell Apple. You told people to sell Apple at 140, stock clown. You were short since 140. You're the horrible advice. Did I say? I never told people. I never made fun of people holding long Apple. I'm a Apple long. Everybody knows it. I've said it dozens of times. Yeah, stock clown. Stock clown's old world. He's got skill. Don't get me wrong, but compared to me, he's a babe. Of course he's a clown compared to me. He's got baby little skills. He hasn't done any live streams. He hasn't done nothing. He hasn't, because you know why? He doesn't know what to say. He doesn't know what to say because he's always short and wrong. He's a little scalper. A little scalper. Yeah, anyways, people, as you know, Power Trigger Trade, correct the SPY. Power Trigger Trade, correct Google L. Right? Let's go over a lot of stuff. Google L. You know, and all this within 10 plans, Power Trigger Trade, I batted huge gain, at least 8. Twitter. Listen, nobody does it like me. I put out plans, the ones that confirm win. Above 80% win rate. We've got losers. Of course, stock clown. I lost money and win. Yeah, they're right about that. That stock crappy. You know, what can I say? I know I lost and win. Don't get me wrong. Yeah, lost in Facebook too. But then look at my gains. Look at Google L. Look at Tesla. Look at ANET. Look at Twitter. Look at the SPY. Look at Amazon. Man, stock clown, you know, capisce nothing, man. He only looks at what I lose in. He never looks at the gainers. Look at my stream, you clown. That's where I decimate you, cremate you. I still win. My gainers outpace. You ask Dinesh, if Dinesh wasn't making money, why would he want to send me $1,000 if he hasn't done good with my advice? You clown. Out of free will, most services wish they would receive that. They would wish they received that from a person. They wish. And it's not just Dinesh, it's other people who've sent me great. I mean, Erica sent me great gifts in chunks. I mean, everybody's gifts, you know, I appreciate. But I'm saying tons of gifts I've been receiving. $100 here, $200 there, $600 there, $400, all kinds of different things for what people can afford to give. And they give it. I've had people as low as that can afford to give you $60. It says great, or give me Amazon gift cards to buy something for me on Amazon, like some beard products or something. You know, that's what makes me win. Going to make I don't know. You know what? I don't like win. Yeah. Here, Tracy Smith. You know who Tracy Smith is? That's a stock clown. Yeah. Stock clown. Whatever. Hey guys. Tell this guy where to go, Tracy Smith. Here, Tracy Smith's over here. Tracy Smith, the stock clown's here. Stock clown, you're a loser, stock clown. My site, $50 sign calls up 600% earnings. My 50. Which ones? What are you talking about, Kenneth Rosenberg? My Sig 50. What are you talking about? Lost a bunch of money with this guy. Yeah. Beware. Never talks. I know I lose money. I know I lost money straight, but my winners outpace the losers. New targets for Twitter. Well, Twitter still can run. It could chop around. It's made already a big move, Erica. I would use some sort of a stop on Twitter, maybe and I'd have to look at it all the time. I mean, but right now you could put maybe a 5, have the stop, have the rest, have a stop at 5.0, because the July calls, the July 20 calls have a lot of time. We're in the $34 calls in the money. And one of the targets are 43, right? So I mean, we still got another 3-point run, but how fast it gets there, Eric, I really don't know. I'm really happy with the gains right now. When Apple reach your target, Apple is being Apple is kind of being a little slow, but I mean, let's take a look at Apple. Look at a stock on 193. Soon it's going to get to 200. I'm going to be crucifying you. Don't worry about it, stupid Tracy Smith stock clown John. It's you, stock clown. Yeah, I never talk about my losers. Everybody knows I lose money, but my winners are you lie. If you would have listened to me, stock clown, you would have gained so much money in Google L. You know it. You didn't listen to me. You're a stock clown. You don't know how to adapt. I'm an adapter. I'm the best. You're a clown. Yeah, I'm not in AMD calls, but AMD, you should have got into the 12 call, like September 12 calls. I had recommended Kenneth, and this is a long time ago. I didn't go in it because I don't really like AMD. I'm really happy AMD did good. I did say that it had potential, and I was right because I got big picture skills. You see, when I say something, I'm very happy that, of course, some followers of mine, they liked AMD and they made a lot of money in AMD, and I'm very happy. Like, I don't have to. I know there's certain things I don't go into. I'm not going to make claim but I know that I was right. Buy the call so strong. Yeah. So many losers out there. Look at the guy's Twitter's feed. Yeah. Okay. You know what? You're a clown, man. You're just a clown. You know what I mean? You know what? You go look at my winners, okay? Because you know what? You're a clown. That's what you are. That guy. That guy's a guild calls. I don't listen. I'm not in guild calls. I don't know anything about guild. You know what I mean? I'm not getting into. I only gonna talk about the stock plans that I went into. The only reason why I'm talking about AMD, even though I didn't go into it, is because I did give advice on it, and it did work completely what I said. Even if you had to pay $12.50, like in the $12.50 zone, AMD plan worked very well. Unlike the stock clown, who never gave this kind of advice, only talks about shorting. He's wrong again. I'm right, and that's it. Then he kicks me out for yeah. What? Go away, stock clown, man. Go away, man. I'm banning you, man. You have no substance, man. Yeah, I got rid of the stock clown. That guy there, man. That guy there, he doesn't look at the big picture. That's why he's a loser. I got so much evidence against this guy. This is the biggest troll I ever seen in my life. Is the stock clown. That's the stock, aka stock bookie. You want to be a loser? You follow him. Go right ahead. I couldn't care less. Follow that loser. If not, also send him a lot of great hate messages and make fun of him about race and BA and Apple. He's been short all those stocks and Tesla and everything, and the SPY. All he does is spread negativity on his stream, right? That's all he does. He's just a negative individual. And he hates people that are positive like me. I'm a positive individual. I tell the people how it is. If the market's negative, I told people, listen, the market's very positive. Now we need to see how we act in the 277, 278 area. But a lot of plans, especially Amazon, the leader Amazon is rising tremendously. Google L still has a lot of juice. Baba, I don't care. You know what? Pooh Baba, forget. It's Google L, Amazon. these are the ones we want to focus on and getting on new confirmation. I will be doing that inside of Power Group Trades. So get yourself inside of Power Group Trades if you want to make the dollar bills. All right, people? As I've demonstrated in my videos show the proof without a shadow of a doubt, unlike anything else. And what's different about me, people, is I do this with this small. If I post 10 stocks, 8 of them could be large winners. That's all we had is large winners. Yes, we have our losers. I know that. The stock clown says that, but my gainers surpass the losers. But if anybody tells you that they don't lose, and I keep telling people it doesn't matter. We go in, we're going to win. The big picture, we're going to win, and I'm winning. We're winning. Ha ha, stock clown, you're losing, and you're looking like a loser still since SPY 225 crying like a baby. You have no skill. You have no skill. All right, now, that's enough of me ranting. BA, FedEx, Tesla, that's right. All winning trades. We made some great gains in FedEx too. Tracy Smith, I banned him. Tracy Smith is stock bookie, the stock clown. That's right. You're a stock clown, stock bookie. Anybody wants to follow a clown, you follow the clown, you lose. Don't say I didn't warn you that he's a stock clown. That guy has bad advice all in 2008. He hasn't made any money in May. And in June, he's been short. If you've been short, you're wrong. If you're long, the right stocks, you're making all the money. That's what. Look at Amazon flying. You're a clown. SPY hit 277. Who's right? Me. You lost, stock clown. You're finished. You're finished. Ha ha, stock clown. Anyways, yeah, stock clown. I banned the guy. I just banned him. I banned him completely. He is so. He has no skill. Absolutely no skill. Any questions out there for the big picture expert? Don't be shy. And you people, listen to me carefully. Make sure you study my created playlist and subscribe. Study. Get yourself into Power Group Trades. There's nobody like me out there, and I'm only going to get better with my group. I have a group that I'm working with. Okay, and trust me, it's only going to make me better. That's all it's going to do. Make me better and better and better and better and better and better and better. I'm and just decimating and being the new leader in market direction. Okay? Peter Brent can't hold a flame to my skills. Can't hold a flame to my skills. I'm going to show you what Peter Brent said compared to PowerTarget Trade. Listen to me. These guys are clowns compared to me. Stock clown is the biggest. He's the king clown. That guy Peter Brent has some good advice, but compared to me, he's just a guesser. A guesser. That's it. But he can't do what I do. Let him show plans like me. Let him make videos like me. He can't do it. Let him do it within a small selection of picks. Let's see his consistency record. None. PowerTarget Trade, I'm littered. My channel's littered and continuously will grow this format with a new format, a new service coming in the future beyond anything else out there. And it will only accept the people that want success, that really love my work. It's got to be the right type of people. I don't want to help everybody. A lot of people out there, they don't deserve my help. I don't want to help crooked, evil people. I want the good-hearted people. I got good-hearted people. What do you think? People like Dinesh, people like Eric, these aren't good people. Believe me, they're good people. I can tell already by the generosity, right? I got other people, and there's a lot of other people, I don't have to mention their names, in different ways that are invested in me. Hi, Mohan. First time here. Great to have found your channel. What's your opinion? Oh, by the way, a new guy. He wasn't even inside of my group, Power Group Trades. His name was Miguel. And Miguel sent me a $100 gift. He wasn't even in Power Group Trades. He just listened to my Twitter plan and just went, I guess he just went in it free-handedly and made money, but based on me, because he told me that some channel recommended me to me. And then he wasn't even he gave me $100 group dollar gift before I even put him inside of Power Group Trades. I mean, again, what an amazing person that is too. Thanks for Miguel. You know, that's amazing. You understand, people? Miguel wasn't even inside of Power Group Trades. I was baffled by that. This guy sent me $100. He wasn't even inside my group just by listening to me on the channel. That's power. That's what nobody could do. Nobody out there can do that. And especially you, Stock Clown, you get your $25. You get your little measly $25 from the few members who are crying that they paid for your bad advice. They're crying right now. Crying. Stock Clown. So Mohan, BMY and AGN, I got no opinion on them. Because you know what? There's better stocks. Follow my channel. Get inside of Power Group Trades. I post the best plans. Okay, part of my system is to get into the best plans, and I don't think those stocks fit into my thing. They probably don't have the volume criteria that I want, so that they don't probably trade very well with options. I'm pretty sure of it. Let me see. I'll just quickly take a look at AGN. They just don't. Yeah, this is a stock that doesn't fit my criteria. It's a garbage, Mohan. Garbage. Boo to AGN. Poo. And the same thing with BMY. It doesn't fit my criteria. Yeah, both garbages. Boo, garbage. Doesn't matter. They're just garbage health sector stocks. Don't bother with them. You want to be in the Google L, the Amazon C, the Tesla, the ANT, the Twitter. The stocks that are trending properly while the market's in the trend. Don't make this. That's right, Mohan. Don't make this. Listen to me. I pick the big picture stocks, people. It's everything I do. Okay, it's beyond what's out there. Nobody does it like power. If I say something, jump for joy, because nobody is as good as PowerTarget, and I mean nobody. Absolutely no one out there will be able to hold a flame to me, plan for plan. No service. They can't do it. They can't. Any one of them, I'll tell you, they can't do it. They can't do it like me. They can't hold the gains. They don't have the big picture skill. They can't do it. All right, now that's enough. Now, I know it. There are good guys out there. Don't get me wrong. There are some good guys out there, but they don't compare to me. They're a joke compared to PowerTarget Trade. They don't hold a flame. In fact, if they listen to me, my style, they would double what they do. Double. Understand? The Stock Clown, if he would listen to me, he would make 100 times more money than he would have done whatever he's done on his little donkey. If he would have just listened to me and went long, the right plan, he passed off tons of games in Home Depot. He knows it. You know that, Stock Clown, you're still listening. You missed a whole bunch of gains in that Home Depot option plan. You know it, and I know it. End the story. And I sent a request. Okay, so before you listen to me, Mohan, you must do the right thing. Listen to the beginning. You need to. Okay, listen. You need to do the right thing. So listen to the beginning of this live stream when it's available. It explains how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades, and you're in right away. Avazoom, ababoom, you're in. And make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and as well. Yeah, I'll get you in. A lot of great plans. I don't know if there's going to be, there may not be any new winning plans. It might take a couple of days for some new plans to show up, because we've been winning so much. And make sure, people, everybody out there, you know what you need to be doing: retweeting and liking the videos, spreading the word, letting other people know about the big picture expert, because a lot of people out there could be one or two good people out there that happen to see it, happen because of the retweet and like, and higher standings on Twitter, and it attracts. I want to attract the high quality people. A lot of people are just clowns out there, just lazy bums. Gonna be doing a lot of great things, people, on health too, by the way. Gonna be doing a special video attracting the fitness community, the health community to the investment community. I am the big picture expert when it comes to health and wealth, by the way, people. And that's a characteristic that's me. PowerTarget Trade's always been involved in fitness and investment. I was crazy about this when I was 18 years of age. Back then, I was even doing stock charts. I was doing it. I wasn't even doing it on a computer. I had to do it by hand and call up on the phone, and I was trading commodities, which is really hard. Before I got into the stocks, I mean, people, the work I put in, you have no idea. Nobody understands what I did, how much work I put to become what I am or what I know. And I'm gonna gloat because I know. I mean, this is God gifted. There's no way without the blessings of God behind me could I do what I'm going to be doing. I just know I'm blessed and so many good things I'm going to do with it. If I'm given the gift to do something, I have to serve the Lord and do the right things and try to help the right people. It's about the quality, right? And I know the right people will come to me naturally. It's all God willing. All I do is keep doing the work that I'm going to do, and I'm going to attract the right people. And all the other clowns, there, right there, a big thumbs up to you, boom. You know what I'm, bang, you know, F, you know what I'm saying? F, you know, that's what I say to the clowns out there. To the people who love me and want to help me, we're going to help grow. We're going to help the people out there. We're going to help the people who want to be helped. Okay? Money and health. Health is more important though, guys. Listen, and Power Trigger Trade, I'm big on health. Oh, how I study health like you won't believe, people. Going to be announcing, I'm going to be showing some new things I've been working on with my experienced people. I'm the big picture expert, health and wealth. All those stock clowns out there, you think they're going to come near me on the health level? I'll destroy on both levels, mentally and physically. Anyone out there, I will decimate them. Decimate them. When it comes to the health, all levels, we're talking about all blood work, doesn't matter what it is. Blood, everything, okay? I will decimate on both levels. All right now. Yeah, NVIDIA did really good too. NVIDIA should also be following through. So NVIDIA, NVIDIA looks pretty good. I think if it takes out... well, 265.65, it should be able to keep following through. You want to give it some time, but yeah, NVIDIA, if you can see that multiple patterns, NVIDIA, and again, stock clown's been wrong NVIDIA since about, what, $140? Let's take a look when he started shorting. I mean, the guy started shorting NVIDIA like from these moves over here. Grandma. Ah, stock clown. Wrong the big picture. The money was going long, stock clown, not short. Not everything's a high flyer, stock clown. They deserve to be high. You don't capisce. You don't even race to this day wrong. ANET wrong. We made huge gains in options and ANET stock clown. What time is it? 10:11. Woohoo! I enjoyed this. I love destroying and annihilating the clowns out there. Just annihilation. You know? See? And I drew this, by the way. See this thing? I drew it. Look at, I drew giving the heads up. You know what? We got into the SPY at 270. What was the number again here? Yeah, 272.5, and I made the update inside of Power Group Trades. First, I talked about the 273 calls, but then because the market had pulled back, we went in with the 272.5 calls. And again, Power Trigger Trade was correct, not the stock clown. And I made that. I didn't really care too much about the SPY plan. I wanted to demonstrate it and put it into my created playlist. The big picture expert being correct since April, while you have Peter Brandt calling of a market collapse. Power Trigger Trade calling for the market to go higher, and of course that's what the market did. Now we're still not out of the woodworks. There's going to be some. Listen, I'll be watching people. You want to listen to me for updates because Power Trigger Trade, I'm the big picture expert. But listen to me carefully. The SPY favors to go to well, look at it. We're close. We're going to go to 280 to 300 is the big picture, but 280 is next. And again, who was right? The big picture. Big Power Trigger Trade. Stock clown still wrong since 225, and he only talks about the things that don't go right, because you know why? That guy can't stand it how I decimated and cremated him. You're a finished clown. You got nothing on me. Your stream is dead. Anybody compares your stream to mine, they'll see I'm the truth teller. Okay? You're the liar. You're the evil. You're the devil. Stock clown. I am not. Ha ha! I know this from the gifts I receive from people. I already know that's already signs from God telling me, keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. That's how it works. See, God, what he does is he influences people to do the right things. That's right, people. If you're giving something from your heart to do something, that's God. That's God at work. Okay? That's what it is. Trust me, I do things, and it's proven to me over and over again. God's at work all the time. That's what I'm going to tell you, people. Capisci, you understand me. It's always God at work. The things that happened to me in my life, or what I had gone through, I understand why I had to go through rough times in the past. I understand. But in order to know what I know, or be able to say what I say to people, or help people, I had to suffer first. I had to suffer. I had to pass the tests. And now I'm going to rise like a huge star. Ha ha ha! Stock clown. Anyways, yeah, Nvidia. I said about Nvidia. Nvidia is good. Money flow. Baidu. I haven't bothered with Baidu. Baidu stinks compared to Amazon and Google L. Boo on Baidu. You know what I'm saying? The leader is Amazon. If it wasn't for Amazon, Baidu wouldn't make a move. I've been really focusing, to be honest with Canacho, I've been focusing more on Amazon and Google L. Those are the big stocks I've been really focusing on. Those we made the biggest gains in that. It's about the quality, not the quantity. Very good, Mohan. You know what? You want to study, okay? Don't take the trades until you understand, and take the best ones and go into the ones not as, like easier stuff like Twitter. When I put something easier to get into, before you try to go into stuff like Google L or Tesla and an Amazon, you want to be experienced, understand about how those stocks act, Confirmation, people, is key. Any other questions out there? A lot of new people come in here. Thank you for the update and exactly what you said. I got played out on Amazon Weekly today. Yeah, because you bought two. You see, Canacho, you bought them the wrong time. See, we were already in it. The big money was made already today. It flew a little. Listen, let's put up Amazon, people. Okay, this is what happened. Okay, honestly, look at the high. Okay, now we were in the 1680 calls. Okay, so we had already made like over 200% at the top point. They pulled it back. I got out of the rest of them, stopped out on the rest, but I did I did really great gains in check out the video, and you can see, look at what the high was, and then they pulled it back, but that's okay because they're relaxing it, right? And so I'm going to be making new plans. We're waiting for confirmation. The next one is Google L. I want to get back into Google L. So heads up, people, I will be talking about Google L. Okay, Google L, higher, setting up for higher. You understand, Stockholm? Higher, more squeezing for you. I gotta watch more things, but we wanna keep sticking to the winners. Google L can confirm my next plan. That's a good sign for higher prices for the SPY, people. It's all about looking at the right key stocks. A lot of key stocks are strong, people. That means SPY's gonna go to 280, and that could happen. How we handle, I gotta look at more things, people. Listen, I adapt all the time, but listen, in no way. Listen, the odds favor SPY 300 this year, okay? At least to the 2, and we're already hitting close to one of the targets that I said. Of course, I was correct since April, people. While people were negative, I'm the big picture expert. I decimated everybody out there. Everybody! Okay? Nobody said it like me. Nobody. I don't care who it is. You name one person, they did not say it like me. You name anybody, can name anyone. I will look it up and I will decimate them. Okay? Nobody. And I said nobody said it like me, not even Dan Sanger. Dan Sanger had nothing like what I said. Nothing. Nothing. Okay? I'm the big picture. Again, I'm the big picture expert, winning and decimating. I know who I am. And I'm so happy and blessed. I feel. I know what I'm talking about. NVIDIA, 290 calls. Let's see. Well, for me, I don't, to be honest with you, that's far away. To be honest with you, money flow, that's far away. It's possible, but that's not what I would trade right now with NVIDIA. I would be trading July calls. Let me put up an options chain here. The way I would trade this guy now. Or at least June. Okay, not July. Okay, maybe June. maybe June right now, June. Because if there's a move like they're trading very well, I would go. For me, I would go into these neither the 265 calls or the 270 calls, especially if you see this take go over. Actually, it's in the video right now. This is my live stream, so let's record this. So if this goes over 265, let's say 266. Then enter with either the June 15 265 calls 270. You'll make faster gains that way. The problem is that 290 for Nvidia. I mean, it's possible, but I don't. I rather go into more in the money calls, or if you want a little bit more time. You don't need to wait that long because it's going to fly. I'm telling you, it neither flies now. The August will just lose value. You have to get out of August if there was a pullback, right? So my advice would take the July, farther than July, and then at least not so far out. 270 calls, buy less, okay? Buy less. That's my advice, okay? Buy less of the 270 calls. Because that's plenty of time. Nvidia is gotta move. It's bound to move now, right? And if there's a pullback, you're gonna lose money anyways in the August calls. So you'd want to exit position. And if anything, if you see this, if it was to lose 260, you should exit. Honestly, if Nvidia was to lose 260, get out of it. You would have to take a loss in Nvidia. Okay, but it's at a key pivot point that it should keep popping higher, and you could use June calls, make money, and then flip over to July calls. It should be making money now, Nvidia. So the August calls aren't going to do you much good, in my opinion. You don't need that much time. A lot of my stuff, I'm making the money. I'm making money in even 2 weeks out options, 2 weeks out to monthly calls. That's my style. We're making great gains that way. Check out my YouTube channel. See for yourself. PowerTarget Trade. I'm the big picture expert. I know what I'm talking about, okay? Yep. Dexter made some great gains in Amazon. I know that's for sure. Yeah, weeklies, exactly. We only had 1 week. People don't understand. Listen, people, if the plan is good, if it's you don't need weekly, at least 1 week out. I don't like exactly only 1 week, but at least 1 week out. So for example, we've been working with the June 15 calls, which is 1 week out. Plenty of time. Look how much Amazon's moved, right? You made killer gains with the June 15 calls, and we bought the 1680 calls. Huge gains in those. You understand? Huge gains. Look at my video. Think. Open your mind. Look for yourself what's going on. PowerTarget Trade, I give the best advice, plain and simple. Best advice out there, okay? Possible best advice, okay? Now there's people with bigger dollar accounts, and they want to trade heavier. I know, one guy, Shia, anyways. Shia is a big option player, but buys a weight. But Shia, unlike a lot of people, don't buy or don't have the funds to buy the kinds of options that Shia buys. I mean, Shia makes 60, 70K here and there. He just decimates a lot. I mean, if the one thing about Shia is he hasn't perfected listening to everything that I say, but the guy could decimate most people out there. Like, most of these so-called penny trader stocks wish they could make the gains of what he's doing with those options, right? With the money he's using, they wish they could make the gains because in fact, Shia has left sometimes over 200K in gains by simply getting out too early of my plans, because he goes in a lot of options, but he still makes a lot of money. See, that's the crazy thing. He makes a lot of money, right? Lots of money. I keep telling him to scale down and hold 50% runners. Don't go out completely, and you're gonna get. And honestly, the guy decimates a lot of people. But he's also, invested in listening to me, working with me. Shia, hit 60, had made 60K in 2 days trading GM calls. And when I met him, he had told me he just made 30K in Apple calls. And he started getting bigger. He started doing a lot of bigger option plays within my plan structure. Made crazy gains, insane gains that many services out there never made the gains he's made. And I know a lot of the gains he could have made. he could have, in that 60K gain, he could have really made 100K gains in that GM trade. That was back in was it 2016, I think? Yeah, just crazy gains. This is all true. Yeah, that's all true, really. Shia, 100K. He knows it, and I know it, and God knows it. 100K, 100K. Okay, two, 3 days. I think it would have took 3 days max in my plan. That's big picture skills. Okay, so Shia, he likes to play weekly calls. Shia, listen to me carefully. He likes to play weekly calls. I tell him, give it a little bit more time, at least 1 week out more. He's been kind of doing that. He likes weekly calls. Okay. And again, if the plans are good, the weekly calls will make killer gains. They do. People. A lot of our plans we're getting out within 3 days, 3 to 5 days max. 2 days, 1 day, because we're making so many gains. So why do we need? The key is to buy close, like the best possible options with a good strike price that has the pot. Like when there's too far, I don't like too far out. That's not my style. I don't like too far out. Yeah, glad to hear that, Dexter. Glad to hear that. I mean, Dexter's been killing it in the gains, killing it with Google L. You have no idea that he he did the best. He did even better than I did because he happened to hold Google L better, and he made great gains. Google L flips out of Google L, goes into Amazon, gets back into Google. He just flipped. This guy made insane gains in both Google L and Amazon. Bigger gains than just about anybody out there, I guarantee you, on the amount of options that he bought. We're talking about buying simply. I'm pretty sure you cleared about 20K, and this is only by going in no more than five options, people. We're not talking about crazy numbers here. We're talking about most people did what Dexter did, right? It's not like Dexter didn't play some heavy hand like Shia, okay? Shia, heavy hander, he's a heavy hander, Shia, right? And that's the kind of guy I attracted to listen following me, that guy's heavy-handed. You know what I'm saying? Like the guy goes big into plans. I'm pretty. She's told me. I think he made like 40K in BA in some option plans today in BA, and of course he could have made even more gains in some other stuff because we talk all the time, me and Shia. Shia does a lot of private investing for himself right now. The guy's gonna kill it. The more I tell him, I told Shia, the more you take my rules into heart, you're gonna kill it, man. You're gonna kill it, and you deserve it. Solid guy, Shia, solid guy, and that's the kind of people I attracted. Solid guy, making the dollar bills. He deserves a lot of money, a lot more money. I told him this 100 times. Don't leave the money on the table. Get the max gains. If you're supposed to, sometimes he's making 50K. He could have made 100K, and I want to see him make 100K doing the right things, and I know he can do it. I know he can do it. He will. I keep telling him study. He knows. He's got the tools. He knows the tools. He's got the tools. It's got to put more faith in the tools. But he's still making killer dollar bills. That's the fact. Still making killer dollar bills, Shia. And always money comes to Shia anyways. Shia, big winner, no matter what. No matter what. Shia, one of these days he's gonna be making so much money it ain't funny. He already does make good money, Shia. Are you there, Shia? I think Shia, didn't you say, man, you were gonna come to the live stream, man? Maybe you're listening. Say hello to the group, Shia. Top level guy. I'll tell you too, Shia is one reason why I continued doing what I was doing. I'll be honest with you, it's just amazing, God willing. It's just, I started the YouTube channel because of Shia. Because his faith in me, I started the YouTube channel. Give props to Shia, people, because honestly, again, Shia was honestly, respect from him made me do what I'm doing right now, people. That's why I'm even still doing this, people, because I got respect from him, massive respect from Shia. When I found out Shia took that much interest in my plans and everything like that, and gave me that much faith in me and made that investment to work with me, that was a game changer for me, and that's why I'm here. It was a game changer. I was about to give up on the social media, but then from him a streamload of love came my way. It's the truth, Jaya, man. Tell the people, man. A compliment, compliment. I'm telling you, that's how I feel. I gotta tell people the truth, you know. That's the truth. That's how I feel about a lot of. I have different feelings about a lot of other key people, you know, in my thing. People don't understand. Like it's all important to me. Like I tell people, you give whatever you want to help out with, or whatever you want to, you know, you do what you can do. You know what I mean? Like Shia can do what Shia can do, and other people can do what they can do. But really, I can tell you honestly, Shia, I'm here. If Shia didn't, you know, again, you know, Shia didn't come into the picture, I wouldn't be doing this. This is why the YouTube channel was born, and the thing I put into work. Honestly, and from that, more and more, it kept ballooning, and other great things happen. You know, it's just I couldn't be happy with everything. Yeah, I know. I that's what I told people. I told people, Shia. I told people that. You know what I mean? I know, and I know the money's gonna come your way. I just know it. You know, you've got the tools. The tools are in front of you. I'm here to help you forever, right? So, uh, I'm here to help you forever. You know, you're a credit to this. Don't think that I will never deny. So, anyways, people, it was a great live stream. You know, you're hearing some true heartfelt things, but that's the difference between me compared to a lot of services out there. They just don't have that heart in what they do. Now I'll look at that. I'll look at that one later. Um, so you know, people, they just don't have the heart out there. They don't care. You know, you have a lot of people putting out millions of plans. So what? You know, you got a guy like, you know, like this. And I don't have to name names, but you know, trust me, people. There's a lot of bad advice, bad services out there. All they do is they pump out plans. They don't even go into them. Dan Zanger doesn't even go into his own plans. He's admitted it. Majority of his plans he doesn't go in because it doesn't meet his volume criteria. Yet a lot of his plans that confirmed never confirm with his rules. He's a hypocrite. He's a baloney phony. End of story. All right, people. I hope this helped. Don't forget to like the live stream and give a nice message and a little punch in the stomach to the stock clown, the stock bookie. You know, they're you know what I mean. You know, you'll find them down. You'll find them on Stock Twits. Horrible stream. You want to go see loser stream? Go see his loser stream. That's right. And you know, Fast and Furious, I'm glad to have you as a group member as well. I know Fast and Furious has sent me a few gifts and you know, sent me a message a few days ago. He plans to send me, I think it's for Friday. I think he was telling me. Now, once I receive the gift, I will post it. I post all the gifts that I receive. I appreciate all gifts that I receive from everybody. It's all important to me. It keeps me wanting to push harder, people. You know. It keeps me wanting to push harder. Thank you, thank you. Is it? What's your name again? Is it Marcus? I can't remember. I forgot the name. Good night, good night, good night, Dexter. What's your name? Fast and Furious. Henry. Oh. All right, Henry. Yeah, I remember now because I've seen your name in the, you know, on my PayPal account when you send the gifts, right? I know. I remember. I remember now. Yeah, I don't know. You know, I know Amazon's supposed to go higher. Amazon might want to rest another day, and I'm gonna take a look at Amazon. I made some great gains in Amazon. Now I have to get back into it. Probably we'll have to go with different options for Amazon. Definitely Amazon is bullish. And you see Stock Clown is wrong again. Look how much higher Amazon went. You see Stock Clown, you're wrong, Amazon. You see Stock Clown? Look at the guy said negative things about Amazon. Even Tesla, you know what he said, people, about Tesla? Oh, he makes fun of, like, you know, there was good news that Tesla is expanding their manufacturing. That means they can meet more demand. That's amazing news. That guy's a clown. That's why the stock went up so much. Because if they can, one of the problems is Tesla can't meet the demands, and people love their products and want to buy their cars and their vehicles, and they got so much. Anyways, that's why that was a good idea to get more help. They can't manufacture everything in the U.S. and when it comes to Tesla, they need other help from other, they need, anyways, that's another thing. I mean, I love Tesla stock. This stock here, I love this stock. I've been making some losses in Tesla, but boom, what a move today with the volume. And the stock clown wrong. We've had our losses in this, but I've had multiple wins in thing. It was a really rough, but today, oh, to Tesla, thank you. Win, boo, win. But you know what, stock clown, you were still wrong. Boo, win. Very let down, but because it's got problems, that company. I never seen a stock with so many powerful patterns fail the way it did. What a garbage company it is, man. Damn thing, man. But it doesn't matter. But see, the losses I made in W, Y, and N, I couldn't care less because of all my other wins. Stock clown, huge gains in Amazon, Google L, Tesla, ANET, Twitter, SPY. You understand, stock clown? Damn! You got the SPY, Sherrod? Good. A lot of stuff has happened, to be honest with Sherrod. The only thing that I can say is NVIDIA. I think, as I told about NVIDIA, look at my stream later on. I kind of gave the instructions on NVIDIA. Yeah, see, new gigafactory in Europe and China coming, and 5K. See, that's why. So Tesla rocks, man. Now you stock clown. You don't understand nothing. Hey, Curtis, this guy. Oh, by the way, yeah, this guy here, Curtis here, sent me a nice gift a little while ago. I remember you, Curtis, sent me $300 gift. Thank you, Sandra. And yes, Shia is a great guy. Yeah, that's right. Curtis knows Shia. That's right, Shia. It's true. Shia. Shia is a great guy. There's no doubt about it. People don't understand, and that's what I'm proud of. I know what kind of person Shia is. I know. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I'm proud of, the kind of people I attracted. See, that's how I'm blessed. I have all these good people. Like, I mean, Curtis here, not even in the group, and sent me $300 gift. It was a few. I don't think I remember everything. I was impressed, actually, Curtis. Yeah, but see, Sherrod, Tesla is good, but we already in Tesla. It already moved a lot, right? So I don't gotta play for. I'm already inside the June 15th 300 calls. If you look in my YouTube channel in the videos, you'll see the great gains already made. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. But yeah, Shia really is more, like I said, right now he's more doing things privately for himself, right? Because he's not just a stock trader, right? He's a high profession, right, and something else, and makes a lot of money. I told him, I mean, the cards are stacked in his favor. You can't lose. You follow my system rules. You have a great income coming in from what he does. That's why he can do what he does, right? I mean, you know what I'm saying? I mean, the guy is destined to be a multi-millionaire. Big time. No doubt in my mind. And God willing, I mean, there's no reason why not. I think that, like I'll tell you, Shia, no matter what, God has a plan for everybody, and I don't think he would have had you come to me if there's a reason. I just know there's a reason. That's all I have to say. Thanks for your inputs. Okay, Sherrod, yeah. All right, guys. We went a little over time here, but a lot of good things. A lot of people came in. I couldn't be. I'm so happy the way everything turned out. With the market, the big picture, all my videos, all my hard work. It was a very hard May, but we did really good, and then just a stupendous beginning in June. Made great gains and thing. A lot of great gifts I received. My group members doing well. Remind me offline how I can be added into the private group. Um, yeah, I will. It's really simple. Let me let me tell you right now. Let's do this right now. Let's do this right now, and it's good for me to tell you. And let me show you here. So basically, all you want to do are retweets and likes. Okay, you have a profile pic already, so you don't have to worry about it. Retweets and likes, and like you're seeing here, see the retweets and likes. And then basically just go to Power Group Trades, send me a request, and I'll add you in. No problem, Curtis. I mean, because you send me a gift first of all, so I give people a little more. Yeah. So Power Group Trades. Yeah, you send me a gift. I mean, not a, well. You send me. I mean, you send me a request, and then I'm gonna add you inside of Power Group Trades. But try to be a bit more active. But I mean, you're definitely, I put you in because you send me a gift. If people just want to get in, you can send me some gift and I get you in that way. But if not, what you want to do is let me go back to PowerTarget Trade. Is you want to have a profile pic, and that could be a picture of yourself or a success or of stock charts or of success, something nice in that lines, right? It doesn't have to be of yourself. That's a picture of me, PowerTarget Trade, the big picture expert. And then basically you want to do retweets and likes, and you're going to make comments on the winning plans, But retweets and likes. Not everybody is done with the retweets and likes, but you want to be active, and that's what it'll take. And then I also will give you messages, and send me also, and anybody new, you want to send me a message. You want to study what I'm about first. I just don't want anybody. So study my YouTube. Send me a message why you want to become a member inside of Power Group Trading. And guess what? You do all those simple things, you're in. That literally takes 10 minutes, but spend the time. Don't rush it. If you have to study for a couple of weeks, take your time. But if you're sure you want to become a member inside of Power Group Trades, I welcome you. Just send me the right messages, do the right things, and you're inside. All right, now let me get back to the life. So that's how you do it, Curtis. You know what to do. It's simple now. It's really simple. Okay, guys. Let me go back to the live stream. Yeah, so you now seen what to do. Sent the request. Yeah, but you got to do the right things. You got to have a profile pic. Get a profile pic on your YouTube channel, but get a profile pic. All right, people. This has been really great. Thank you very much, and we will do another live stream next week. PowerTarget Trade. Signing off, people. Signing off. PowerTarget Trade. Signing off.